Yeah, my name is Ben Minnaar. I'm not the owner. I feel more like I work at Wondermall. We're about 10 kilometers north of Pretoria, north of Melbourne Airport. And we're a military museum that specializes in heritage military items and restore them and run them. And we also have a nice restaurant. And in the process, of course, we needed electricity, and that's where you guys came in. We were having very erratic electricity from the grid. And being out in the bush, there's not much assistance from anybody. We decided to go to we actually had a generator, very good generator that was powerful enough, but the cost didn't make sense. We used to run it, and it cost us maybe 700 rand a day for diesel, which was a lot. It all added up, and at the end of the day, we decided to go solar, and we looked around for suppliers. And we very nearly signed off on one supplier when we realized you guys are giving a much better price, and the product is also very good. We changed we jumped ship the very last moment, and the previous guys, well, the offer wasn't good enough, and yours is really good. Son Quinton, who was doing the research, actually, I think, found you guys. I'm not exactly sure what he did. I think he probably on the internet. The other guys were actually gave us the whole quote and the whole breakdown. And at the last minute, I heard there's a company called Aluma. I didn't know the company, but when you guys came here, you gave us very good service, and it was very professional. So I'm happy that we actually took Aluma as our supplier. I know there's something on the app, and the app is very nice because every night I can see throughout the night what the batteries, how the batteries fare, and we don't go lower than about 45%, I think, which is quite good. But I haven't calculated how much we've saved, except that we have constant electricity now, which is a great advantage, because previously we had no electricity whatsoever until you start the generator. It was dead. And now we've got electricity 24/7, and we can just switch the light on and it works. In the sense of the luxury of having electricity, this works perfect. At the restaurant now, there's lights, there's chips, fryers, there's electricity that we use for a lot of purposes in the restaurant. Especially at night, it'll be dramatic not to have electricity. And the advantage now is, if we relied on Eskom, then at any given time, the power can go off. But this is reliable. This is always there. It's never gone off. And we've never had a power cut or any hiccup since it's been installed. So now at least one can say you've got reliable electricity, and you can rely on. You don't have to have a backup for the solar. You can have the solar alone, and that's good. I didn't really use the support team, except that the support team called us once or twice because we, by accident, took out the router and didn't realize that there's no signal then. And it's clear that you guys are monitoring the system as well, because then you phoned and said, well, the router has been unplugged, and we phoned the night guard and said, please put the router back. I think he was loading his cell phone or something. But the support has been excellent, and I think even the support that we got was not because we asked for it, but it came voluntarily from your side. I'm very impressed with it. Most certainly. Well, I think cost-wise, we shopped around a bit, and you guys were by far the best, and we've had it now for a couple of months, and there's been no hiccup, and I've got no reason to believe that there will be. Actually, I also heard that we had a very big hailstorm at my residence, and there's a couple of guys in the area that has Aluma on their roofs, and they had no damage whatsoever, even through a big hailstorm. It looks like it's a durable product, and I'm happy.